Today we're going to learn how to use filters, resize them so they're square, so they're easier to use in Instagram. And finally, we're going to be using our Pexel plugin. Step 1, File, New. We're going to do this 5 inches by 5 inches. Make sure it's not pixels. And Create. Next, I want to go to Plugins, Pexels, and Pexels. And then I want to choose an image. Make sure you do a variety of landscapes, flowers, animals, people. So I can click once, and my image has been added. Now, the original image was a little bit larger. So I can use Control-T, which is the shortcut for free transform, to kind of resize this. And then I can click my check mark. So that's step 1. We inserted the image. Step 2, in the layer with that picture, we're going to right-click on the layer, and we're going to choose Rasterize Layer. So right-click on the layer, and we're going to go up and choose Rasterize. Okay. And we can tell it worked because now it has that little arrow there. And then next, in the menu bar, we're going to click Filter, Convert for Smart Filters. Okay, just click OK. And now we'll be able to go back to the filter gallery, and we can choose any number of options we want. And with these, you just need to be as creative as you can be. So maybe I want to try a green with this for the glow color. I can adjust the brightness. I can do a neon glow. If I wanted to add a second effect, I could. Maybe I'd also want to add a film grain or a fresco. But let's just suppose we're using neon glow, and click OK. And then I can do File, Export, Quick Export as a JPG. I'm going to go and make sure I save it in my filter. Okay, and I'm going to name this as My Name Sarah, Horse, Filter, and we use the neon glow. Okay. So when we save it, we want to include your first name, kind of what the image is, and then the name of the filter that you used. We'll do that again one more time. So File, New. Now if I wanted to, I could leave my 5 inches and 5 inches. Call this 5-inch square. Download it, and again 5-inch square. And do save on the preset. So then the next time I come here, I can just click right there on the 5 square and create. I don't have to go into the details. So here we're going to do Plugins, Pexels, Pexels. And we're going to choose an image. There we go. So Control-T. If we want to resize this a little bit, check mark. We're going to right-click on the layer and choose Rasterize Layer. And click our check mark. Then at the top on the menu bar, we're going to click Filter, convert it to a smart filter. And we can actually click Don't Show again, so that way it won't show it every time. And then we can do Filter, Filter Gallery. And on your assignments, you're going to have to go and do a variety of these. So you're going to have to do a couple in each section. So there's the ink outlines. That's actually both of those together. So again, if I wanted just the ink outlines, I can click OK, and I can do File, Export As. Okay, I'm going to call it Sarah. Okay. That was Ink Outlines Filter. Save. And that's how we can use Pexels and create some great filters that we can then go and share on Instagram. The Adobe Academy SLHS.